channel Glam Up Teen. I hope each and every one of you are doing good and staying safe at your home. And this COVID-19 pandemic case is spreading all over the world very rapidly. So make sure that you're staying at home and don't forget to build up your immunity so that we can fight against it. Well, talking about today's topic, I'm back with a new DIY. This DIY is for treating one of the condition which is very common in every one of us, because in our lifetime we would have faced it once or twice or still suffering from that. It is none other than acne and pimples. See, hearing about this acne and pimples makes us feel uncomfortable because we don't want those pimples, acne on the face, which makes us very low confident because these pimples can damage the skin to some extent. Well, regarding this condition, I just wanted to share a DIY with you friends. So without doing any further late, let's get in the video. Before getting into the video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you will never miss any updates from my channel. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do press the subscribe button and the bell button over there so that you will never miss any updates from my channel. Well, talking about acne and pimples, these differ in sizes and these may occur in any area of the face, maybe the cheeks, maybe the nose, maybe the forehead, or maybe the upper lip area or the chin area, so that we can't define it to particular area. Before talking about the DIY, I just wanted to give a brief introduction about like some preventions, like how can we prevent getting acne. So first thing, avoid all the oily and junk foods because these are the major causes which can lead to occurrence of acne and pimples on the face. So please do cut off your oily and junk foods to some extent so that you can prevent that occurrence. Well, number two, protecting the face from pollution because pollution is one of the cause for acne and pimples. Number three, taking good care of your skin because the facial skin is very sensitive and it might get easily affected. For example, if we are attending a late night party and we just put on some makeup and we'll attend the party, and while returning we'll feel very tired. Sometimes we tend to go to bed without removing the makeup and this is very serious because removing the makeup before going to bed is the primary one which we have to follow, because keeping the makeup overall the night might cause the occurrence of pimples and acne on your face. So don't be lazy, at least remove your makeup and cleanse your face and just directly go to your bed and have a nice sleep. Well, coming to the causes of acne, there are different causes. We can't define it to only some area, like only because of this we are getting acne. We can't define it like that. There are many causes like pollution, sun damage, and the lifestyle which we follow, and sometimes we do get pimples at that period of time in a month. So it's not something which we have to worry about it. It will gradually just go off. And some causes may include health issues like including the endocrine disorders or PCODs or gastrointestinal infections or digestive systems breakdown or poor digestion. These also may cause for the occurrence of pimples and acne on your face. So please do keep a check on your health because health is wealth. So while coming to this DIY, firstly, before getting into the process of this DIY, I just want to discuss about the ingredients which are used in this DIY and what effect they will have on your face. Well, coming to the first ingredient, it is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very common ingredient and it is a natural ingredient too. Aloe vera gel consists of 75 active constituents which includes vitamins, enzymes, minerals, sugars, lignin and salicylic acid and many more. And vitamins such as A, C and D, these are antioxidants which helps in getting rid of those acne and pimples. Well, coming to the second ingredient, we are using orange gel. Orange gel consists of citric acid which helps in skin exfoliation and drying out that acne and getting rid of the toxins from the face. Well, coming to the third ingredient, we are using tea tree oil. Tea tree oil consists of antimicrobial properties and anti-infective properties. So this helps in reducing the redness and swelling of the area around the acne or pimples. This calms down the inflammation on the face which is caused due to the acne. And while coming to the fourth ingredient, it is vitamin E oil. This helps in cell regeneration so that the area which is damaged due to the acne and pimples get regenerated and the new cells are produced in the damaged cells. Well, combinedly, these all ingredients helps in getting rid of acne, and also it just boosts the healing process so that we can get rid of the acne and also the acne spots which are left over after getting rid of those. So this is all about the intro of the ingredients which we have used in this DIY. So without doing any further late, I'll be showing you the process of this DIY. So let's get started. The ingredients which we need for this DIY are aloe vera gel, tea tree oil, orange gel, rosehip oil and one vitamin E capsule and a bowl to mix them well. So you can apply this cream before going to the bed or in the morning session also. Take a small amount of cream and apply it on your face and mainly concentrate on the area where you have acne prone skin, and then massage it and then massage it until it gets absorbed into your skin. And before using this cream, please do a patch test because we are using all the natural ingredients such as tea tree oil, aloe vera gel and orange gel, and those who tend to show allergic reactions to some of the ingredients which are used in this DIY. So please make sure that you do a patch test before trying this DIY. So that's all about today's video. I hope you just felt it useful. If so, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family members, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Last but not least, if you're eager to know how I created this look, please head on to my Instagram account and check my recent post so that you can find the video about how I created this look. And if you have any reviews or comments, please do leave them in the comment section below so that I can check them out and just reply you as early as possible. So see you all in the next video. Until then, keep loving, keep smiling and stay healthy.